know. Come on, buddy. Rise and shine.
Same thing in 197.
Bye. I'll see you tonight. Is that sometimes how you feel? Just busy all the time, just always going, and no time to visit with friends and family and take a break and enjoy life?
So how do we get to that point where we can go travel all the time? A couple of the things that we have done is that we took a long, hard look at our budget, and we have decided what bills need to go and get paid off, and what bills we need to go ahead and keep, like for credit purposes. And we have begun paying off all of our debt.
And with this new change, we're in the process of changing my occupation as well, so that I can move forward and find a job to work remotely.
We've almost finished with the teardown, and now we're getting ready to rebuild the pop-up.
So they can keep camping with us. So what's left to do? Well, we have a lot of different things we have to do. First thing is to finish the pop-up. We still have the roof to rebuild, the interior to rebuild. We have to get a new canvas for it, and we have to rewire it and replumb it. So basically rebuild the whole thing from scratch.
I have 14 classes to finish my new bachelor's degree in informatics. So how can you help? How can you help us to achieve our dream and get where we need to go? First of all, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends, watch us weekly. Please give us feedback. We can't get better if we don't know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong. So we welcome any feedback, any constructive criticism that you want to give. We can take it, so we look forward to that.
And by getting better, what she means is we need to know what content you, the viewer, want to see.
Make sure you share us on social media.
And that also means Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. We're on all of those platforms. And I will show the links to each one of those. Whenever you go to our Facebook page, you'll see right off the bat, whenever you pull it up, that or after you like the page, you'll see that the message board will pop up, and that you will immediately have access to direct messaging us on Facebook. But as you scroll through, you'll see all of the posts that we've done. You'll see a copy of our home page or our home video on YouTube. There will be links, usually in the descriptions. You'll also see all of the things that we post on Instagram, and you'll see any events that we have coming up. And generally we'll post an event telling where we're going to be as well.
And Patreon. I'll let Corey tell you about Patreon.
Patreon is a crowdfunding opportunity. It allows you to have specific perks based on your level of participation. If you would like to help us to become better at this and to be more self-sustaining in this project, you can go to our Patreon page, and the link will be down there. And you can help support us by giving as little as $1 a month, or $1 a video, or whatever. And you can help us to become better at what we do, upgrading our equipment, being able to bring you different views, different things, being able to go different places. Like I said, for as little as $1 a month, you can participate with us, and in return, you'll get special perks depending on the level that you choose to support us at. When you go onto our YouTube channel, first thing you'll see as a new visitor is our welcome home video. And then below that you'll have the popular videos and then created playlists. There's one, usually the second or third one in, and it's called For New Viewers, Start Here. And that has all of the different videos that you would want to watch as a new viewer to get caught up on what we're doing and how we're doing it.
So please keep watching.
And most importantly, keep sharing us. Tell your friends about us. Share us on social media. Tell your friends on Facebook. I know most of you have Facebook and you have lots of friends. Most everybody has Twitter anymore. Share it on Twitter. Just, retweet. Do whatever you can. Tell everybody, hey, check these folks out. That helps us out tremendously so that we can bring you the best content that we can possibly bring.
We want to keep sharing with you, and certainly thank you so much in advance for any help that you provide us. We really, really do appreciate it. Thank you.
Just to give you a rundown of what we do have, if you're not familiar with us, we are rebuilding a pop-up trailer, and we have just about gotten to the point of turnaround, meaning that we've completely torn everything out of it that we don't need, or it was damaged, or it was wet rotted from wet weather damage. And we're getting ready to start building that back up. So we're going to build it up bigger and better and stronger than it was before. We have a lot of great ideas for doing that. We're going to redo all the wiring in it. We're going to put USB ports in it, repaint it. We're going to put on-demand hot water. We're even going to put a small cassette privy in it for those late night, I need to go to the bathroom trips. The other things that we have going on are we like to go camping a lot, and we try to go to new areas every time we go. We video. This past weekend we went to Vogel State Park. We've never been there. Never realized how beautiful it was. And we have a video coming out soon for that. We're going to Jackrabbit Mountain next month in North Carolina. Even when we're not doing that, whenever we're just traveling, we like to try to find the places in the areas that we're in and bring them to you. So that if you're interested in a place, say Memphis or Nashville or Asheville, North Carolina, or wherever we are, you may want to see some of the things that are there to do to decide for yourself if that's something that you want to do. And last is that we are aware that there are some of you may not have the means to get up and go, whether it be for health or financial reasons, or maybe you even have a desire to do that and you just don't know how to go about doing it. Well, you can use us for an example if you need to. We're really honing in on the things that we need to do to get this thing done. If you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, give us the old thumbs up, comment, follow us on social media. Again, the links were a little bit earlier. I'll put them in the description below.
But again, thank you all so much for your support and the love that you've shown us. We really, really do appreciate it. And with that, thank you. Continue to spread the love and always be kind.
Bye-bye.
Bye.